Breakfast. The most important meal of the day is one many people tend to skip or neglect. Whether it be a busy morning or simple convenience, many people tend to gravitate to a meal that lacks proper nutrients or miss it entirely. A simple fix to this, or the neglect of this important meal results in a lack of energy and alertness, putting people at a disadvantage right as they begin their day. A simple fix to this problem is overnight oats. This healthy breakfast has many variations to fit your personal taste, is prepped the night before to fit your busy schedule, and is extremely easy to put together. Today, we'll learn the importance of eating a healthy breakfast, all the materials and ingredients needed to create this meal, and the steps taken to create overnight oats. Overnight, your body has gone without nutrient or has gone without a meal for several hours. Overnight, your body stores glucose, the body's main energy source, in your fats, but can also be found in the liver and muscles. Um, According to Better Health, the body releases glucose into the bloodstream to when we go through periods without eating. Eventually, it's necessary to consume nutrients to replenish our glucose levels and provide an adequate source of energy. When people skip their breakfast, their energy levels are significantly reduced, making it extremely hard to focus and function properly. If people eat a healthy breakfast, the lack of energy society faces is significantly reduced. Overnight oats is an extremely easy and healthy breakfast. Is prepped the night before, which allows a healthy breakfast to fit into any kind of schedule. Additional health benefits of eating a healthy breakfast include essential nutrient intake and a reduced risk of illnesses and weight fluctuations, which can all be attained from consuming overnight oats. Mixing into our ingredients and tools, the Eating Bird claims that the many variations of flavors overnight oats can support are endless. But for those new to overnight oats, uh, a basic guide is easy to follow. Ingredients such as oats, milk, chia or flax seeds, and yogurt, if you prefer a creamy consistency, are all that is needed to create this base. From this base, toppings such as fruit, nut butter, and granola can be added to fit your personal taste. Once the meal is prepped, you simply place it in the refrigerator overnight, and you have a healthy meal to eat in the morning. Additionally, minimal tools are needed to create this meal. Tools such as a bowl, um, measuring cups, and a refrigerator and a spoon are all that is needed to create this healthy meal. Now that we know how to create a healthy meal, you can ditch the the unhealthy practice of neglecting your meal for a healthy breakfast. Skipping all of our necessary tools and ingredients, today I'll teach you how to create a simple base for overnight oats. So, according, I don't know, um, scooping all of our necessary tools and ingredients, we are now ready to create overnight oats. While there are many different variations overnight oats can support, today I'll show you how to make a simple base with some of my personal favorite add-ins. To begin this process, you'll need to gather all your necessary tools and ingredients. Then, based upon your hunger level, the amount of oats you include into your meal will vary, but today I'll just add half a cup of oats. From here, you simply pour the oats into your bowl and then measure around a tablespoon of flax seeds to provide an intake of fiber. Then, before you add your milk, you'll want to add all your necessary dry ingredients to make the mixing process as smooth as possible. According to Delicious Little Bites, the ratio or dry ingredient today, I'll add a fourth a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of peanut butter. According to Delicious Little Bites, the ratio of milk to oats can vary based off your preference, but the recipe they provide has a 1-to-1 ratio, which is what I'll add to this recipe. Then, once all the ingredients are mixed together, you can add any personal toppings to fit your preference. Today, I'll add a fourth a cup of blueberries, which can also be mixed in if you prefer. Mixing together all the health and societal benefits of consuming a healthy breakfast, a strong incentive is provided for people to consume overnight oats. Overnight oats, a quick and healthy breakfast, is extremely easy to put together, which allows a healthy breakfast to fit into any kind of schedule. With the knowledge of the of the importance of eating a healthy breakfast, all the tools and ingredients needed to create overnight oats, and a step-by-step guide as to how to create overnight oats. You're now ready to incorporate this meal into your lifestyle. Thank you.